Hey guys, look, it's Greg!
Kyle, stop. Not again.
Hey Simon, look, Kyle's about to bully Greg again.
Oh man, not again. I'm starting to feel bad for that kid. He never fights back.
Where are you going off to with all those books, nerd?
To class, Kyle.
Oh yeah, that's where all you nerds go, huh?
Ooh. Kyle, stop.
Stop what? Making fun of you for being a nerd?
Ooh. Just relax, Greg. Breathe.
What was that, Einstein?
I'd rather be Einstein than be a dunderhead.
Excuse me?
No, excuse me. It's not my fault that your brain weighs less than the atomic mass for hydrogen.
Bro, it's getting scientific right now.
Whoa, man.
Joel, Greg, you're destroying him right now.
Oh, Simon, matter can't be created nor destroyed. You can tell because Kyle's brain never existed in the first place.
Bro, dude, my eyes and ears go off.
These guys are menace.
Simon, why is Kyle crying on the floor again? I didn't do that. It was Greg this time. Framing your friends now, huh? Get it to my office.
What?